All right, welcome back. Well, are you in college or have kids in college and you might be having trouble with saving money? Well, lucky for you, today is College Savings Day and we are joined by Bruce Adams with the Credit Union League of Connecticut to get some advice. Bruce is joining us now. Bruce, thank you so much for being here, first of all.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And secondly, so we know it is graduation season, a lot of people prepping for college right now. What's your best advice on what families can do?
Look, I think the best thing that any family can do right now is to think about where to go to school, if you want to go to school, and then how to save for it appropriately. You got to think about your retirement, covering your bills, paying off your debts. College is just one more thing.
Is there any special savings techniques people can use right now? Because we know college is getting more and more expensive as the years go on.
Well, some people use a thing called a 529 plan, and it's in Connecticut run by the Connecticut Higher Education Trust. We call it CHET, and that's a way where you can invest money and you can not pay taxes on the earnings from that money. And that's a great way to use to cover college expenses. But that also comes with some other consequences. There are fees, and it might reduce your ability to get another financial aid award. So the best thing to do is get some advice.
And now tell us about the Credit Union of Connecticut. What is that all about? Can anyone use that service? Or?
Sure. I mean, a credit union is like a not-for-profit bank. We're a financial cooperative, so people can do all their banking business there. Checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, mortgages, things like that. And one of the great things that credit unions offer is advice. So we like to say, we take a lesson from the airline industry, put your own oxygen mask on first before helping people. Well, the same holds true for finances. So walk in your credit union, call them up, make an appointment. You don't have to be a customer, and ask for help making a plan for the future, and we'll point you in the right direction.
Now, what are you noticing right now? Are you seeing a lot more people reaching out for help?
Yes. I mean, given the past 2 years and the great economic uncertainty, what people have really discovered is they need to extend their savings a little bit more. They need to gain a little bit more ability to absorb a financial shock. They can't live paycheck to paycheck anymore. And even six-figure earners live paycheck to paycheck. It's really a good time, like right now, to make a good plan for your future and give yourself some comfort.
Now, what about here in Connecticut, because of the pandemic and because so many people have such a different financial situation, is there any state resources that have become available over the last 2 years for this type of thing?
Well, there's plenty of state resources and some federal resources with money to help you with your mortgage or if you've fallen behind on your debt.
Right.
Certainly if you're an employer, there have been federal dollars to come and help you retain and not lay off employees. But all of those things still go into the need for a business owner, a family, a kid going to college to just save a little bit more every day. That's what gives us the best cushion.
All right, Bruce, thank you so much for joining us here on the Fox 61 Morning News. And for those at home, we're going to be posting this interview on our website and how you can get in touch with Bruce if you need some help in the future, because we know a lot of people right now do need that help. So I appreciate your time this